Hello friends, in this video we will show you how you can calculate distance between multiple points in a single Google Sheet with the help of Google Map API. Okay, so this is the tool, this is a sheet, Google Sheet, where here you can mention starting location from where you want to calculate the distance, and this is the final location. Okay, so from you want to calculate the distance from this location to this location. Suppose this is the point A and this is the point B. So here the distance will be auto calculated for the multiple points automatically within a second. Okay, so let's understand this tool with the help of an example. So suppose you are a school coordinator and you have to arrange pick and drop bus service for the students, and these are the multiple pick and drop points for the bus, okay, in your city for your college. Your first pick and drop bus point is this, second pick and drop bus stand is this. So similarly you can add thousands of data here, okay, as per the requirements. So now you want to check which which pick and drop bus stop will be nearby to student location. So suppose student location is nearby to Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj International Airport, Mumbai, Maharashtra. So this is a nearby landmark to the student location, to the student house. So copy this location and paste it here on the first cell, and it will be automatically copied to the rest of the cell because of the script. So as you can see, the distance is auto calculated from the different point. So you can find here which will be the closest one to the student location. So you can see the minimum data is 3, which is showing in green. So the nearest pick and drop bus point will be this. So you can finalize this. Now let us cross verify to the Google Map that the data showing here is correct or not. So copy this pick and drop point and paste it here. As you can see, on Google Map it is showing 4 km, and on our sheet also showing 4 km. So this data is correct. So this data will be as per the Google Map, because this script is meant by the Google API. So the data will be correct, and you can calculate distance between multiple point at a stance in single seconds. So let's take another example also, and this data can be edited. Here I am showing you for the example, for the understanding. You can add the data here as per your requirement, and you can add thousands of data. So let's take another example. I want distance from Navi Mumbai to these locations. I want to check how far Navi Mumbai is from these locations. So it will be auto calculated here. So the least data will be shown in the green box, and the highest data will be shown in red box. So as you can see, 0, 8, 19. So it can be calculated as per the script. So you don't have to go to the Google Map again and again to check the distance between the points. You only have to mention one location, and you have to fix this point as per your organization structure, as per your organization requirement, so the distance will be calculated automatically here. So if you want this tool for your organization or for your requirement, you can email us on our email ID, which is helpingtools99@gmail.com. okay, please email to us whatever requirement is. We will surely reply on your mail, or if you have any doubt or any question related to this tool, you can also do comment. Thanks for watching.